this video, I'll be showing you how to import a file. Click on Account and Import tab, and under the Import Excel tab you will need to select the data entity that you want to import. So in this example we're using expense. Download the expense example file, which will show you how to lay out your data correctly in order to import. Choose your data file from your computer and click on the Import button. You'll receive an email letting you know whether or not the import has been successful once the process is complete. Here you can see that email shows you that all your expense cards have been imported successfully. Next up, I'll just show you an example of the imported expense file. Click on Expense, Search, and in this example I uploaded a expense from 2015, so I'm just gonna do a rough date range to pull this up for you. Click search, and there we go. This is the data I just imported, and it's now on the TimeSolv system.